You're probably pretty familiar with how soil plays an important part in growing plants. If we ranked all the things plants needed to survive, soil would actually be on the bottom of the list, which seems kind of weird, right? If that's true, it makes me wonder, how do plants get what they need to survive? You already know that all living things need resources. Animals and you and me have organs that help us get the resources we need. Plants have organs too. Most plants have three main organs: roots, stems, and leaves. They help plants get the resources they need from their environments. Let's pick out a few of the resources plants need to survive. First, you already know that plants need sun. That's because they use energy from the light to drive photosynthesis, which they use to create energy, or a sugar we call glucose. Of course, in addition to light, plants need some other things for photosynthesis, like water and air. More specifically, they need a gas called carbon dioxide, which comes from animals and you and I breathing out. Plants also need some nutrients. For example, plants use nutrients to make the chlorophyll in their leaves that turn them green. So plants need resources like water, carbon dioxide, sunlight, and nutrients. How do their organs actually help the plants get those resources? Let's have a look at this flower and find out how. Leaves are the organs where most of photosynthesis takes place. They contain a lot of chlorophyll and are often thin and flat, so they can soak up a lot of the sunlight. Leaves also have openings that allow oxygen and carbon dioxide to flow in and out. Stems are the organ that carry water, sugar, and nutrients between the roots and the leaves. They also hold up the leaves so they can catch as much of the light as possible. Roots act as anchors to help keep the plant in place, and they also help the plant absorb resources like water and nutrients. When we think of roots, we think of soil, but not on our list of resources. So plants have specialized parts called organs to get the resources they need to survive. Plants manage to take in those resources for photosynthesis. Plants also create a byproduct that helps us breathe. Can you guess what this byproduct is? It's oxygen! Plants use their stomata, or tiny holes on their leaves, to help take in carbon dioxide that we breathe out to them. They also use their stomata to release oxygen, which we breathe in return.